Nyama, nyama. Oh, mama. Your hair messed up, mama. Look at your hair. Look at your hair, my girl.
We had 22 right here.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Mama? Y'all, her hair messed up. She had her hair done, but it was too high and it messed up. Look, Icelynn, show me your outfit. Say it's my fourth. Look at her. Is that her dad? Look at her daddy, y'all, playing cornhole. But say it's my first 4th of July.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Say I'm at the party. Say I need my hair done again, mommy.
I've always wanted though, but of course I'll make hair, but
She does look like a Cabbage Patch doll. She does look like her dad. She looks like Dejounte. You look like your daddy, mama. You look like your daddy. You look like your daddy. You look like your daddy, Icelynn. Oh, you look like your mama. Hey, mama's girl. Where's your brother? Do not try to put my hand in your mouth. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Say hi, guys. No, ma'am. Stop.
She's choking me.
Where's Casey? Casey playing. No, ma'am. No, Icelynn. No, she's not moving out the way for another one. Why does everybody keep saying that? Huh? Okay. Okay, we have like an hour left before it gets dark. Okay. Yeah. I don't know who getting in trouble.
No, you can exit out. You can exit out. Oh, you can exit out.
Y'all, I cannot believe she's 2 months. She acts like she's way older.
I'll exit out.
That bow is everything. Thank you.
Oh, you gonna do it for me?
Y'all know I gotta have my girl in some girly girl stuff.
There you go. That's just what you do.
I don't care.
Oh my god. Put your hand. Oh, you're gonna pull down my shit right there. Yeah.
Icelynn, you hear some music or something? You dancing? Go ahead, girl. Go, Icelynn. Get it, Icelynn. Go, Icelynn. Get it, Icelynn. Y'all, she put her legs and all. Go, Icelynn. Get it, Icelynn. Go. Oh, what's that? What's that, Icelynn? That didn't scare you? That didn't scare you, mama? You're not scared, mama?
Richie said we can't pull them all out because it's illegal. So we have to pull up one by one. So
That's
what
fine.
we can do is we can open the trunk.
Yeah, and I'm gonna take a picture in front of you.
Yeah, you want to do that right now?
No, give me.
Yeah. My son. Oh, you motherfucker. Really, bitch? Oh, my. Damn, really?
What are you trying to grab? What do you see?
Oh, shit. So my son wants those, but in high top.
What do you see, Mama?
I had abandoned it. Hell no. He abandoned this shit.
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I said say bye-bye. Babe. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, guys. Tell them bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna tell them bye or no? Are you doing it with your feet? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hey, wait, he's weird.
We're gonna get it together, okay?
I know what he's doing.
Look, you gotta put up your hand. And you gotta wave. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Yeah. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Yeah. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Yeah. 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 You're so smart. You're so smart. You're so smart.
What's going on my YouTube channel? I can't have this going on my No, I didn't have a featuring. If we're having a grand time, Dejounte's out here playing basketball. But check out the feet. Check out the feet. We got Chrome Heart check, something light. Nothing too major. What's that? Hello. What's that? Oh, I just got party everywhere. That's this.
Let me see them. Let me see them.
That's literally nothing. This is probably like $30. What the fuck is that?
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.